In this quick and simple video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the screen recording facilities within iOS and how to do a screen recording. First, tap on Settings and then scroll down to the Control Center. Now, tap on Customize Controls. Make sure that screen recording is in the Include list. If it is not, scroll down through to the bottom of the More Controls list and tap on the plus icon to add it. I will now return to my iPad home screen by pressing my Home button. When you are ready to use screen recording, swipe down from the top right hand corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Here you can see my screen recording button flashing away. Before you start recording, you can check to see whether the microphone is on by pressing and holding on the screen recorder icon. If the microphone is off, tap it once to turn it on. When you are ready to start recording, tap on the screen recorder icon. As I am mid-recording, I can't do this to show you, but when you tap the screen recording icon, it will begin to count down from 3 in order to count you in before it starts. When you are ready to stop the recording, tap the screen recording button at the top of your screen and tap Stop. Here I will press Cancel in order to continue. The recording will then save in your camera roll, where you can then use the file as you need. Screen recording is a really simple tool to use for when you want to record a lesson, tutorial, or demonstrate a process on an iPad or iPhone, and then keep it as a resource to be shared for your students or colleagues. If you have found this video helpful, please do click on the like and share this on to others who you think would benefit from it.